Struggling with common health issues and wondering if natural remedies could be your solution? In our fast-paced world, many of us grapple with health issues that can range from the frustrating to the debilitating. Digestive problems, respiratory issues, skin conditions, and immune system weaknesses are just some of the challenges that millions around the globe face every day. For centuries, our ancestors turned to nature for remedies, harnessing the power of plants to heal and support the body. Today, this tradition continues as more and more people seek solutions that are not only effective, but also carry minimal side effects. Natural remedies, with their myriad benefits, have stood the test of time, offering relief and promoting wellness without relying on synthetic compounds. And among these natural powerhouses, there's one that stands out for its remarkable potency and versatility. One such potent natural remedy is oregano oil, a powerful herbal extract with a multitude of health benefits. Ever thought a common kitchen herb could be a powerhouse of health benefits? Welcome to the world of oregano oil. Oregano oil is a remarkable extract derived from the leaves and flowers of the oregano plant, a perennial herb that hails from the Mediterranean regions. It's not just a flavor enhancer in your favorite pizza or pasta, but also a treasure trove of wellness that has been revered for centuries by ancient civilizations. At the heart of oregano oil's magic are two primary active components: carvacrol and thymol. These are phenols, a type of organic compound that possesses potent properties beneficial for our health. Let's take a closer look at these power players. Carvacrol is a major player in the oregano oil's health benefits. It's a mighty warrior against harmful organisms thanks to its potent antibacterial and antiviral properties. Studies have shown that carvacrol can break down the protective cell membranes of bacteria and viruses, leaving them vulnerable and unable to cause harm. Then we have thymol, another phenol found in oregano oil. It shares many of the same protective properties as carvacrol, but it's particularly renowned for its anti-inflammatory and antifungal qualities. In fact, thymol is often used in mouthwashes and skincare products to combat fungus and reduce inflammation. But the magic of oregano oil doesn't stop there. It's also packed with antioxidants, those amazing compounds that protect our bodies against damage from harmful free radicals. This makes oregano oil a strong ally in our battle against aging and disease. In addition to this, oregano oil is a rich source of essential nutrients like vitamins A and C, calcium, and iron. These nutrients play a crucial role in supporting our overall health and well-being. As we can see, oregano oil is not just a simple kitchen herb, it's a potent elixir that packs a powerful punch against numerous health issues. Its benefits are wide-ranging, from fighting infections to reducing inflammation, and from boosting the immune system to protecting against aging. Now let's delve into the specific health benefits of this amazing oil. Breathing problems can be a hassle, but oregano oil offers a natural solution. Imagine a world where a simple oil could help you breathe easier, clear your sinuses, soothe your throat, and even combat respiratory infections. That's the world we live in thanks to the wonders of oregano oil. Oregano oil, derived from the leaves and flowers of the oregano plant, contains compounds like carvacrol and thymol. These compounds have strong antibacterial and antiviral properties that can help to fight off respiratory infections. When you're down with a cold or the flu, these infections can make breathing a struggle. But oregano oil can help to clear up your airways, making each breath a sigh of relief. But that's not all. Oregano oil is also a natural expectorant. It can help to loosen up or eliminate the uncomfortable buildup of mucus and phlegm in the respiratory tracts and sinuses. It's like a spring cleaning for your nose and throat, helping you to breathe easier and feel better. Sore throats can also be soothed by this versatile oil. The same antibacterial properties that help with respiratory infections can also calm an inflamed throat. Whether it's from a cough, cold, or just a day of talking too much, a little oregano oil can go a long way in providing relief. And let's not forget about aromatherapy. The warm, herbal aroma of oregano oil can be used in a diffuser or steam inhalation to help clear the airways. It's like a spa day for your nose and lungs, helping to clear your sinuses and make breathing a breeze. In a world full of synthetic remedies and over-the-counter solutions, oregano oil stands out as a natural, holistic way to improve respiratory health. It's a breath of fresh air in more ways than one, offering relief and comfort to those dealing with respiratory issues. Indeed, a breath of fresh air for those with respiratory concerns. Oregano oil, your ally for a stronger gut and immune system. let's delve into the wonders of oregano oil and its role in digestive and immune system health. This aromatic herbs oil, often used in Mediterranean cuisine, does more than just add flavor to your dishes. It's a potent tool for maintaining a healthy gut and a robust immune system. So how does oregano oil aid in digestion? Well, it's all about its antibacterial properties. Oregano oil contains two powerful compounds, carvacrol and thymol, which are known for their antimicrobial effects. These compounds work like a charm in combating harmful bacteria, parasites, and yeast in our gut. By doing so, they help maintain a balanced gut flora, which is crucial for smooth digestion and nutrient absorption. Now, imagine a scenario where these unwanted guests, such as bacteria and parasites, have taken over your gut. Not a pleasant picture, right? It could lead to digestive issues like bloating, constipation, and discomfort. But no worries, oregano oil is here to the rescue. It helps in clearing out these unwelcome invaders, making way for a healthier digestive system. But the story doesn't end here. Oregano oil also plays a pivotal role in boosting your immune system. The same compounds, carvacrol and thymol, are at work here too. They stimulate the production of white blood cells, the body's primary defense mechanism against infections and diseases. By bolstering your body's defenses, oregano oil helps you stay healthier and stronger. It's like having a mini army inside your body, always ready to fight off invaders. And the best part? This army gets a significant boost from something as simple as oregano oil. So next time you're cooking up a storm in the kitchen, remember to add a dash of this powerful oil. It's not just about the flavor, it's about giving your body the support it needs to stay healthy. A healthy gut and a strong immune system, all thanks to oregano oil. Imagine a natural remedy that can give you healthier, radiant skin. That's oregano oil for you. This herbal powerhouse is not just a culinary delight, but also a phenomenal tool for skincare. Oregano oil has a treasure trove of properties that can significantly improve your skin's health. To start with, it's packed with anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is often the root cause of many skin conditions, including acne, psoriasis, and eczema. By reducing inflammation, oregano oil can help soothe these conditions, providing relief from the discomfort and improving the appearance of your skin. But that's not all. Oregano oil is also a potent antibacterial agent. It's this property that makes it especially effective against acne. Acne occurs when the skin's pores become clogged with oil and dead skin cells, creating a breeding ground for bacteria. The antibacterial properties of oregano oil can help fight off these bacteria, preventing the formation of acne and promoting clearer, healthier skin. Aside from these benefits, oregano oil also has wound healing capabilities. If you've got a cut, a scrape, or a burn, applying a bit of oregano oil can help speed up the healing process. It's because oregano oil is rich in antioxidants that help repair damaged skin cells and promote the growth of new ones. Plus, its antibacterial properties can prevent infections, making it a great natural remedy for minor skin injuries. Of course, like any other natural remedy, it's important to use oregano oil responsibly. Always dilute it with a carrier oil before applying it to your skin, and do a patch test first to make sure you're not allergic to it. In a world where we're often bombarded with expensive skincare products filled with artificial ingredients, it's refreshing to find a natural, affordable alternative that offers so many benefits. Oregano oil, your new secret to skin health. So how has the journey with oregano oil been? An enriching exploration indeed. We've unveiled the magic of this potent natural remedy and its astonishing range of health benefits. Let's do a quick recap. We delved into the benefits of oregano oil for respiratory health, how its potent compounds help in clearing congestion, easing coughs, and even fighting off harmful bacteria. Next, we discovered how this humble herb can boost digestive and immune system health. It aids in digestion, fights off harmful microbes, and boosts our body's natural defenses. Lastly, we explored how oregano oil can be a boon for skin health. It's been shown to soothe irritations, combat acne, and even promote wound healing. The potency and versatility of oregano oil truly make it a remarkable natural remedy. So next time you face a common health issue, remember, oregano oil might just be the natural solution you need.